Good morning. Please come in. How can I help you today?
Good morning, doctor. I'm not feeling very well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Please have a seat. Can you tell me what seems to be the problem?
Yes, doctor. For the last 3 days, I have been feeling weak. I also have a headache and a sore throat.
I understand. Let me ask you a few questions. Are you ready?
Yes, doctor, I am ready.
Okay. First question. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. My body feels warm, but I did not check with a thermometer.
All right. Do you have a cough?
A little bit. Not very strong, just a light cough.
Do you feel any pain in your chest?
No, doctor, no chest pain.
Do you have any difficulty breathing?
No, breathing is okay.
How about your throat? Is it painful when you swallow food?
Yes, very painful when I swallow food or water.
I see. Do you have any stomach pain?
No, doctor, my stomach is fine.
All right. Now I will ask about your medical history. Do you have any long-term illnesses?
No, doctor, I don't have any long-term illness.
Do you take any regular medicines?
No, only sometimes I take a painkiller when I get a headache.
Do you have any allergies to food or medicine?
No allergies that I know of.
Great. One more question. Do you smoke?
No, doctor, I do not smoke.
Okay. Now I will check your temperature and throat. Please open your mouth.
Uh, uh,
Hmm. Your throat looks red and a little swollen. Let me also check your temperature. Please hold still. Your temperature is 100.5 degrees Fahrenheit. You have a mild fever.
oh, I see.
Now I will check your heartbeat and breathing. Please take a deep breath in and out.
In and out.
Your heartbeat is normal. Your breathing is also normal.
That's good to hear.
Based on your symptoms, it looks like you have a throat infection. Maybe due to a virus or cold weather.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, not serious, but you need rest and medicine. If you take proper care, you will feel better in 2 to 3 days.
Okay. Thank you, doctor.
You also look a little dehydrated. Are you drinking enough water?
Maybe not. I was very busy this week.
You must drink more water, at least 7 to 8 glasses a day. I will give you 3 types of medicines. Fever medicine, take it twice a day. Infection tablet, take 1 tablet every 8 hours. Cough syrup, only if your cough gets worse.
Okay. Can you please repeat that?
Sure. Fever medicine, morning and night. Infection tablet every 8 hours. Cough syrup only if needed.
Thank you. That is clear now.
Also, follow these tips. Drink warm water. avoid cold drinks, eat light food, rest well, gargle with warm salt water.
I will follow all the tips. Thank you so much.
Do you have any other questions?
Yes. Can I go to work?
Better to take one day of rest. Your body needs recovery.
All right. I will rest at home.
If your fever gets higher or if the pain increases, please come back.
Yes, I will, doctor.
I will write your prescription. You can buy the medicines from the pharmacy outside.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Take care. Get well soon.
Thank you, doctor. Have a nice day.